Hi everyone, we're now in lesson 2 of how to set up a TikTok shop, and this lesson is how we are going to set up the actual TikTok shop page. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to TikTok Shop USA. You're going to select Sell More on TikTok Shop. And here is the main page. So this is how the TikTok shop will look when someone is selling a product, or if you're demonstrating your product, it would be right here. People could just select buy, or they can ask you questions. So all of these products that you see on TikTok shop were uploaded by an individual that has a business that opened a TikTok shop. Now, if you notice, a lot of these shops are from Asia because it launched in Asia almost a year ago. So now they're looking for American, US based businesses to set up on TikTok shop. So that's why they're helping and they're marketing and they're really pushing for small businesses to get on TikTok shop so that you can start selling. So for example, these are bigger branded. Let's go this way. Like Wise. Wise is the company that has products that added themselves to the TikTok shop. There are so many big name brand businesses that haven't like for example, Yeti. I haven't seen Yeti on TikTok shop yet. There are small businesses selling Yetis, but I haven't seen the brand Yeti or like Crocs. They're missing out on customers. These customers would be ordering instantly. So that is why it's important, even for the big name brands, it's not just the small businesses, to get on TikTok shop. And we also have smaller businesses, right, that are beauty, skincare, that I'm seeing a lot of natural beauty skincares. Add your products on there. It's auto selling market. Let's get started. We're going to go to sign up. We're going to select become a seller. And I highly recommend using the QR code option. If you don't have a TikTok account yet, make sure to make that account, because if you make a TikTok shop account and then you make a TikTok account, it's going to be a little bit more complicated. So let's go ahead and scan that QR code. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select scan QR code. You go into your iPhone, this top corner, and that top corner you're going to select my QR code. Okay, you select my QR code and it's going to show like this, and then you're going to select the top corner again, and there's where you're going to scan your QR code. And now it says confirm your login on your desktop. So now I'm logged into my TikTok account. All right, so I'm in. I'm going to sell merch with this account. All right, so here we go, and it says start selling. So the first thing is we're going to set up what your business type is. So you could be an individual if you're selling under your own name, your own brand. A sole proprietorship, which is you registering as an individual business. You also have your corporation, which is what we have. And then you also have partnership. So for this, I'm going to go as a corporation. And if you are going to start doing business, you might as well incorporate a name. You can just look up how to incorporate in your state. I think it's $150. It might take 5 to 10 business days. But if you incorporate with your name, then it'll be easier to get on the TikTok shop, because they are a little strict. Sole proprietorship, it's not, they really aren't allowing it. So you have to make sure that your business name is the same as the entity that you're registered. If you're registered, you're ready to go, right? So here we're going to put our tax ID. Okay, and then it's going to go ahead and start saying, are you the beneficial owner? Yes, I am. Are you a business representative? No, I'm not. Business representative. So I'm going to put beneficial owner, my birth, your address, tax ID number, which is what I'm going to put, the last 4 of the tax ID number. Shop name, it's going to be Vibe Store. Okay. And for this, we're going to sub fashion accessories. Okay. Phone number. Okay, great. So once you get past the verification process, then you will be able to see what the dashboard looks like. And it takes you step by step on the registration, on your tax information. These are all the documents that I still need to upload, and it will not let you go live unless you finish those. Okay, so we're going to do the tax. And or C Corp. Okay. And we're going to submit that. So that W-9 form is what they're going to issue you at the end of the tax year. So they'll send that to you with a breakdown of everything that you've sold and how much taxes you have to pay. That is why they collect all this information. You go ahead and complete. And then you go ahead and complete this part. Submit. Okay, great. So we set up our business on TikTok Shop. Now let's move on to lesson 3, which is how we're going to set up a product and also how the shipping works for TikTok Shop.